We are now live.
You can lock in YouTube now. You see the black stuff.
So we are now live. Do you understand? We are now live. Now, in order for us to preview that,
is it connected to the site?
Yeah.
It's not yet. After this, you see our ICT training. It's live, and these are the guys who are doing training, and we are live. It's actually live, you see. We are now live. Though we have no light, but we are now live. Now, in order for us to preview that,
Just few seconds.
Oh yeah.
yeah, the more it's streaming live. The training is streaming live. Our audio is entering. It's smooth. It's live, and the video is cool. It's dark. It's cool. That is even a cooler video. We are live. It's actually live. You see.
Wow.
We are now live.
Like 10 seconds away.
Though you have no light, the stream will not be real time because of the limitation of bandwidth. You know. It's streaming live. After this, see our audio is entering. It will not come now. It's live, and these are the guys. It's dark. Let's do a cooler video. We are live.
Let's copy the issue.
So this is the most important part. I believe Frank, but I discovered you had some issues. The issues you had was in getting to this point. So you really need to brushing up.
After what happened last time, this preview was not supposed to play. So after you set everything, last one,
Now we are going to fix that. So now that we are ready, that we are streaming live, we need to take that to our website. Nobody will know you now. Okay, now the next thing we are going to do here is we are going to go to our website. Now that we are ready, we now go to our admin back panel. Okay, note that what we are going to do is we are going to copy this link. We are actually linking, this video to the site. We'll also take the same link to YouTube. We take the same link to Google Plus, and our videos will be playing. How do we do that? We just right click on this link and copy video URL. If you want to use it, so it's not necessary until you take the video to the site. You understand? Okay? But the advantage of taking the video to the site is that it will enable you to be able to get the player code. Because what we are having is a preview code. There are two types. I'll show you the difference. The YouTube player, we have YouTube player code. We have preview code. Now look at this. Let me start a new notepad. The advantage of taking the video to the site is that it will enable you. Look at this code. You see this code? The embedded code is at the bottom, at the last part of the code. Whereas if it's the player code, the embedded code will be in between. Now, if you take this code and discover if you take this code to Facebook, it hardly pops open that small window with a description. But if you take the one on our website, you understand, and embed on Facebook, you'll see it will bring a small window.
Yeah, that you can upload pictures or
that you can preview the video. Why is because this one is a preview code. But the one, once you copy this and put on our site, it becomes a player code. But if you take the one on our website, So Facebook will catch the player and display it adequately. So let's quickly do that. Now this is the part that Frank is. I want you to open your eyes. Everybody, please watch. YouTube is funny.
Okay, when you copy the URL from the video, you paste in Notepad.
Put in Notepad so that you can extract the embedded code and insert in our website. So what you see is you see the embedded code that you are copying to insert is the only code that starts with is equals to. Is the code that starts with is equals to. Now, even if you see is equals to, then you see hyphen. The code starts with that hyphen. Even though you see is equals to and you see dot, full stop, the code starts with that dot. But note, whether in the player code or the preview code, your code you are going to embed on the site starts with is equals to.
So we have two equals to there. How do we know which is which?
After embedded, you are embedding the code. What is the second equals to? This one, the player. Now, after embedded, you understand? Because you are embedding the code. This is what we call embedded code. No. It's just the code. So, if you are to embed this on our website, let's go to the site and take the other one. The one we have. We go to extension. Okay, if you want to embed, you go to module manager. Extension, module manager. Are we seeing? Because you know our website is made up of modules.
Yeah.
So everything on the front page is a module. It's just like a widget.
Yeah.
So you go to module manager. Then extension. Module manager, yeah. After clicking module manager, remember for it to on, you select all the modules so that you can see them.
So what are we looking for?
So we are looking for the title. Remember you asked me a question earlier on. How would you identify the model? I said I gave the model a name. Now, like live stream, you will see the name here is live stream video, live service video stream. So we now go and look for live service video stream. Scroll down.
I think you're fast.
Here is it.
Okay.
Let me check it first.
Why is it locked?
It's because maybe someone has opened it and did not save and close, or just cancel or go use back. That's why. So before I can use that, I have to check it. Yes. You are copying twice.
How?
Is that one thing? Yeah, you have to close one.
Then
Yes. Save and close. Or just cancel or close. So, Windows copy. You go to live service video stream.
The fast is down. Yeah.
Or you check everything.
That's it.
Okay, here it is. Now, the ones you see is not checked. This, remember, we had a countdown for our convention. It's a model. I developed that model to count down the convention date. So right now, since we don't have event that we are counting down, I unpublish it. Use that word. Unpublish. Okay. If I publish it now, it's going to come up to the site. But I know we are going to have another countdown event.
That's why you don't.
So you don't delete it. You understand? Because of prospect. So when clicking here, when clicking on the module live service video stream, this is where you are going to embed your code. But note, somebody will ask me, why am I using these YouTube braces? It's because of a plugin. We are using a plugin to play back the video on our site. The plugin is a software that gets the video and receives the code from YouTube, translates it and replay it on our website. That's what it does. So in order for you to use the code, you see these braces. You put them in braces. Now, this is where Frank lost it. We are going to paste. We are going to paste our code. We are returning this back. Okay, so just one for demonstration purpose. Okay, so we are copying here, right? Notice where I'm taking it from. Copy from here. After the equal to, the embedded equal to. So we put it in between these braces. Alright? Okay, and we go back to maintain.
The
dimension. Yeah, I have to. But I've forgotten the dimension. Give me the dimension. After the equal to the embedded.
That's a slash. No, it's not that. 280.
There's no space. 280. And we now put another slash by 232 slash 1. Okay, there's a slash. Now, you see what you see here? This is the thing that shrink the page, the video display into that model. Does not allow it to flow off. So when you are embedding, your code starts from this brace and ends here. You don't erase this one.
That day, I remember when you erased it.
You understand? You don't erase that. So let's save and see if it's actually. We save now. Notice we did not save to close. We just save because we are coming back here. So we preview our site. So when you are embedding, your code starts from this brace and ends here. You don't erase this one. You understand? You erase that. So let's save now.
If you pause it here, it won't affect.
No, see?
That's just preview.
Hallelujah.
So you are good now. So let's see the light on our side.
Wow. Size of it. Not command here.
Now, do you know why we have this gap? Do you know why we have this gap? Okay, I'll show you. It's called a paragraph code. There is a paragraph code inserted when you press enter. Because of the text editor we are using. Okay, so if you go back here, that. So when you come to toggle editor, okay, there's actually a paragraph there. You see this break? That's the gap. Yeah. You see this break? This is the paragraph code. And we don't need it. So what we do is just take it off.
Come back and delete this thing.
Yeah, I'll show you how not to have it. Because it will enter automatically. So that's how we delete it. How do you do it? You come to toggle editor. But on the other side, you did not see it, right? But while in toggle editor, the code, the HTML code now. So with the toggle editor, you can remove the paragraph tags, the core tags. So we now save. So we are back. So when let's go and see what it looks like. If it has corrected that. It has corrected it. So our video is well clear. Now, if you want to expand it, you just to go here.
Making then you still have space.
Yeah, you just add another pixel. Just say okay, 3 pixels here and 3 pixels here. Save. The more you increase, this is length and breadth. 1 here stands for 1 frame. If you put 2, you are going to see two screens. If you put 3 here, if you put 3, you are going to see 3 frames. 1, 2, 3 in that model. That one you see here stands for display only one screen. So let's see what it looks like. To me, I think this is standard. Because normally you should have a border. Even a TV here has a border around it.
It's okay like
Okay, so with this, you can go full screen. All right, I believe we are. Any question? I believe you guys, combination of 3 heads. First service, you will be able to stream.
But let me, where I'm mixing it is when you go to live stream. If you click on live stream, it brings that part where you when you click on that live stream, it brings this page out.
That's what you do.
That's why I didn't know when you click to get.
Okay, let's get back. Okay, what we are going to do is we are going to return the previous video. All right, so that you can see. Let's close this. Close this. I'm very quiet. Okay, now quickly for us to do that, let's stop the streaming because it's eating up our bandwidth.